So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select your computer name, which is now going to highlight it. Now you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. See if your missing portable device appears in this list. In my case on my computer, I don't have the portable devices tab, but in your case you want to find portable devices and then expand it. And then see if you can find your portable device in this list. If you still can't find your portable device, then for the second method, you want to click on action on the top and then click on add legacy hardware. You want to click on next and then click on next again. And then once you complete that scan, hopefully it will be found here. If not, then for the third method, you want to click on next again. And then once we're here, you want to scroll down until we find portable devices. You want to click on that and then click on next. And now in this list right here, you can find your portable device. There's a lot of things you can choose from the manufacturer. So just find your portable device that you want to add, select it, and then click on next to install it. And then once it's been installed, you want to click on finish. And then once you have your portable device, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Now you want to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on every pick from a list. You want to select the driver that you think is most compatible with your portable device. So you want to select it and then click on next, and you want to install that as well. Now in my case I'm using a virtual machine, that's why I got this error, but in your case hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.